What's your name?
My name is Dale.
What's your name?
My name is Joanna Foot.
What's your name?
My name is Romeo Mia.
What's your name?
My name is Jennifer, and this is Susan.
What's your name?
My name is Dan Chen. You can just call me Dan. Yeah.
What's your name?
My name is Sam Knight.
How are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Geertje, and this is Esther.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Jane Davenport.
How are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Furkan.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Michael, and this is Kate.
How are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Craig.
How are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Glasgow.
Where's Glasgow?
Glasgow's in Scotland.
What's your name?
My name's Louise, and this is Laura.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Where are you from?
I'm from Manchester.
Where's Manchester?
Manchester is in the UK.
What's your name?
My name is David Ziambi.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Harare.
Where's Harare?
Harare is in Zimbabwe.
What's your name?
My name's Sarah.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from London.
Where's London?
London's in England.
What's your name?
My name is Mark.
How are you?
I'm well.
Where are you from?
I'm from Calgary.
Where's Calgary?
Calgary is in Canada.
What's your name?
My name is Connell, and this is Aoibhinn.
How are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
Where are you from?
I'm from Belfast, and Aoibhinn is from Dundalk.
Where are Belfast and Dundalk?
Belfast is in Northern Ireland, and Dundalk is in Southern Ireland.
What's your name?
I'm Victor.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Osnabrück.
Where's Osnabrück?
It's in Germany.
What's your name?
My name is Fiona Albarracin.
How are you?
I'm very well today, thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Bolton.
Where's Bolton?
Bolton is in Lancashire, in England.